My name is Char Mills, and I'm the owner of Modern Maison Company. We specialize in providing artisan and aesthetic charcuterie boards and grazing tables for both corporate clients and event planners. We also provide educational cooking classes to the community. I'm based out of Detroit, Michigan, and my business started in August of 2019. With a cooking class in my home for my friends' children. From there, my business evolved to cooking online during the pandemic. Somewhere throughout the process, I started making charcuterie boards for friends and family, and that kind of took off. And I decided that I was a caterer and a cooking teacher. And one of my friends recognized me online cooking with children and making charcuterie, and she invited me into the community to have a cooking program at one of the schools that she was at. And that's how my business kind of grew and took off. In the community, cooking is a way of bringing us together, incorporating new flavors, introducing the kids to new cultures, to history. It brings joy. It just created excitement. I think it's important for kids today just to have an idea of how to cook. I truly believe in my children knowing how to cook, how to make real food. I do believe that society is moving away from cooking, especially the younger generation. So my job or my idea is like, let's get into school, let's teach them a skill that they can have forever. Let's show them how to eat healthy. Let's show them how to prepare their own meals without preservatives. And then with that, introduce history, introduce math, introduce STEM functions, introduce a passion and a love for food. It's important as a business owner not to get too bogged down with ideas and just to stay committed to like a few things and see where they go. So that's what I'm trying to do, stay focused on the things that I've already committed to. I'm so grateful to have won the Small Business Community Champion Award from Citizens. I have earmarked the money to buy a catering vehicle so that I could transport food as well as the cooking class supplies and tools from school to school. I've had the support of my church community, my non-church community, my friends, my family, and it's really helped to grow my business and to sustain my business and give me the confidence to just keep going.